In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock modules in your Skool course, ensuring you have control over when and how your course content is accessed. Skool is a user-friendly platform designed to help creators manage and distribute their courses effectively, and locking modules is a powerful tool to maintain the structure and flow of your course content. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the search engine of your choice. Enter Skool in the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Skool website in the search results and click on it to proceed. Once you're on the Skool homepage, log in using your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to take a moment to create one to access all the features you need. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your Skool dashboard. You'll spot a pair of arrows there. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. From the list of communities that you're a part of, choose the one you'll be working with today. Once you've selected your community, you'll notice a new set of options becoming available. One of these options will be labeled Classroom. Click on this to enter the area where you manage course content. Inside the classroom, you can create new courses by clicking on the New Course button. Once you do that, a form will appear where you'll be prompted to fill in the course name and add a brief description to give potential participants an idea of what your course is all about. Descriptions can be a great way to catch the interest of your audience, so think about what makes your course unique or particularly valuable. Next, you'll need to set the access settings for your course. Skool offers several options for restricting access to course modules, giving you the flexibility to choose what best suits your needs. You can click on Level Unlock and set the level required to access different parts of your course. Choose a level which represents the progress a learner must have achieved in order to access certain materials. Another option is the Time Unlock, which allows you to schedule when specific modules become available. Simply enter the day you want your content to go live. This can be particularly useful if you're running a course with a drip feed content model. Alternatively, if you prefer to keep things exclusive, click on Private to choose specific individuals who can access your course. Once you have decided on the perfect settings for your course, remember to click on ADD to finalize your selections. By following these steps, you'll ensure your course modules are organized and your learners are accessing the content as intended, enhancing the learning experience for everyone involved.